Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable phone notifications on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings. And in Settings, you want to go down and tap on Phone. In here, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. Next, tap on Allow Notifications switch to turn it on or turn it off. So at the moment it is off. If you tap on the switch, it will turn back on, and if you tap on the switch, it will switch off. Once it is turned on, you have more options to set. So you can set the alerts on lock screen, notification center, and banners, as well as banner style, sounds, and badges. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.